Hello dear students, in this video we are going to solve some multiple choice questions on differentiation topic which are useful for entrance exam. So look at the question. If 2y is equal to cot inverse of root 3 cos x plus sin x upon cos x minus root 3 sin x and whole square, derivative that is dy by dx is equal to what? These are the options. So we start with differentiation. So 2y is given. We simplify it, cot inverse of this, so tan inverse and reciprocal of this will write, and whole square. So it is tan inverse of reciprocal of this, that is cos x minus root 3 sin x upon root 3 cos x plus sin x bracket square. Now we divide by, we express it in tan inverse of x minus y upon 1 plus xy. So we divide by root 3 cos x. So this will be tan inverse of, we divide by root 3 cos x. If we divide by root 3 cos x, so this cos x will get cancelled and here it will be 1 by root 3. Now if we divide it by root 3 cos x, so root 3 is getting cancelled, sin upon cos, it becomes minus tan x upon, dividing this by root 3 cos x, so root 3 cos x will get cancelled and it is 1 over here, plus we divide it by root 3 cos x, so this will be 1 by root 3 and sin x upon cos x, which is tan x, and bracket square is there. Now this is 1 by root 3 is tan of pi by 6. So 2y is equal to tan inverse of tan of pi by 6 minus tan of x upon 1 plus tan pi by 6 into tan x bracket square. Now it is tan of pi by 6 minus x. So this will be tan inverse of tan of pi by 6 minus x. Tan of pi by 6 minus x and whole square. Now tan inverse of tan of pi by 6 minus x, that will be only pi by 6 minus x and bracket square. So our 2y is equal to pi by 6 minus x bracket square. Now this, after simplifying, we differentiate it with respect to x. So we differentiate it with respect to x, then left hand side will be 2 dy by dx and the right hand side bracket square is there, 2 into pi by 6 minus x into derivative of pi by 6 minus x, which is minus 1. So which is minus 1. Now this 2 is getting cancelled and this minus sign we multiply over here. So that will be equal to x minus pi by 6. So x minus pi by 6, that is the first option, is the correct option. So we are getting x minus pi by 6, derivative dy by dx. Question is x log of log x minus x square plus y square is equal to 4, where y is positive number. Dy by dx at x is equal to e. These are the options. So here we can find y at x is equal to e. Then we will get, at x is equal to e, we will find what? Y. We find dy by dx also. So x log of log x minus x square plus y square is equal to 4. We differentiate it with respect to x, so that dy by dx we will get derivative of this is what, x upon log of x, and this derivative of log of x will be 1 by x plus log of log x here is product x log x, so its derivative will be what, x into derivative of this 1 upon log of x, and again derivative of log x 1 by x, log of log x into derivative of x, that is 1, derivative of minus x square 2x and 2y into dy by dx. Right hand side will be 0, constant. Now this x is getting cancelled and it is 1 upon log x, 1 upon log x plus log of log x minus 2x plus 2y into dy by dx is equal to 0. Now this derivative we have to find at x is equal to e. So first of all we required what is y when x is equal to e. So here we substitute x is equal to e over here, then this will be 1 upon log of e plus log of log e minus 2e plus 2 times of y when x is equal to e, dy by dx is equal to 0. This log e is equal to 1, so this complete term will be 1. Log of e is equal to 1 and log of 1 is equal to 0, so this will reduce to 0. This is reduced to 1 and it will be, so it is 1, first term will be 1 because log e is 1, so it is 1, first term is 1, this is 0, minus 2e plus 2y of e, means when x is equal to e, y is to be find out first, dy by dx is equal to 0. So that now here in this equation we find what, y when x is equal to e from this given equation. So from the given equation we put here x is equal to e, so that it is e log e again minus e square plus y square is equal to 4 from this given equation. Now log e is 1 and log of 1 will be 0, so this term will be reduced to 0 and therefore we will get here y square is equal to 4 plus e square, and therefore y will be equal to root of e square plus 4. Therefore 2y of e into dy by dx is equal to 2e minus 1. This we transfer to the right hand side, 2e minus 1, and dy by dx is equal to 2e minus 1 upon 2 times of y. So when x is equal to e, y is equal to square root of e square minus e square plus 4. So it is square root of e square plus 4. So that 2e minus 1, 2 times root of e square plus 4. So the third option is the correct option we are getting. derivative of this function with respect to x by 2 is, these are the options. So we take this function as u and x by 2 as v. So derivative of u with respect to v. So we use as parametric form that du by dx upon dv by dx, that is derivative of u with respect to v. So we find derivative of this. So for this we take minus sign common from here. This becomes minus of tan inverse. So tan inverse of minus theta is minus tan inverse theta. So it is cos of x minus sin of x upon sin x plus cos x, or cos x plus sin x we can write here. From numerator we will take minus sign, and that is minus here. Tan inverse of minus theta is minus tan inverse theta, and divide by cos x over here, minus of tan inverse of, dividing by cos 1 minus sin upon cos, that is tan of x, upon dividing by cos 1, here dividing by cos it will be tan of x, and 1 minus tan upon 1 plus tan, that is tan of pi by 4 minus theta. So which is minus of tan inverse of tan of pi by 4 minus x. Now this u is equal to tan inverse of tan of pi by 4 minus x, and that is equal to pi by 4 minus x only, and du by dx will be equal to derivative of this 0 and minus 1, where dv by dx is equal to 1 by 2 derivative of this. So derivative of this function with respect to this function, that is du by dv is equal to du by dx upon dv by dx, and which is equal to minus 1 and divided by 1 by 2, which is minus 2, which is minus 2. Here is minus sign is there, so that minus sign and this minus, it becomes plus, so that this du by dx will be plus 1, and dv by dx is as it is 1 by 2. So du by dv is du by dx upon dv by dx. So plus 1 upon 1 by 2, and that is 2. So 2 is the correct option. Derivative of sine square of cot inverse of root of 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. So clearly this 1 minus x upon 1 plus x is there. Then x is equal to what? We substitute cos theta. So we put x is equals to cos theta. X is equals to cos theta. We substitute here. Then this will be, this term will be root of 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Now that gives root of sine square theta by 2 upon 2 times of cos square theta by 2. 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta. 2 sine square theta by 2, 2 cos square theta by 2. Which is, 2 is getting cancelled, and it will be tan of theta by 2. Root of sine square upon cos square, root of tan square theta by 2, that is tan theta by 2. So in place of this we will write tan theta by 2, and therefore it is d dx of sine square of cot inverse of tan of theta by 2. Now here cot inverse and tan, so we will write allied angle. So d dx of sine square of cot inverse of cot of pi by 2 minus theta by 2. Pi by 2 minus theta by 2, which is derivative of sine square of, this is pi by 2 minus theta by 2. It is pi by 2 minus theta by 2, and that will be derivative of sine of pi by 2 minus theta by 2 whole square. Sine square is there, so whole square will write. Now sine of pi by 2 minus theta by 2 is cos of theta by 2, so which is derivative of cos square of theta by 2. Cos square of theta by 2. And this cos square theta by 2 will write as derivative of cos square theta by 2 will write 1 plus cos of theta upon 2. So 1 plus cos theta upon 2 is cos square theta by 2. Now cos theta is equal to x, so therefore it is d dx of, in place of this cos theta we write x, so d dx of 1 plus x upon 2, and which will be equal to, this derivative will be 0 and x derivative will be 1 and 1 by 2. So our answer will be 1 by 2. So B option, 1 by 2. In place of this x we substitute cos theta. So root of 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta, 2 sin square theta by 2, 2 cos square theta by 2. It is tan theta by 2, square root of that. Cot inverse of tan theta by 2. So we use allied angle. It will be cot of pi by 2 minus theta by 2. And this will be pi by 2 minus theta by 2. Sine square of that, that is sine of pi by 2 minus theta by 2 whole square, which is cos square theta by 2. Cos of theta by 2 square, cos square theta by 2, it is 1 plus cos theta upon 2. But cos theta is x and derivative of this only. For the curve 32x cube y square x plus y to the power 5, value of d square y by dx square at this point is equal to. So here the equation of curve is 32x cube y square x plus y to the power 5. How we differentiate it? So we take log of both sides. It will be log of 32, which is constant, 3 log of x, 2 log of y, because log of this into log of m into log of n into log of m into n into p, log m plus log n plus log p, and cube is there, so 3 log x, 2 log y, and the right hand side is 5 into log of x plus y. Differentiating it constant, its derivative will be 0, 3 upon x, 2 upon y into dy by dx plus is equal to 5 upon this x plus y into derivative of x plus y, which is 1 plus dy by dx. We collect dy by dx term from either side, 5 upon x plus y and 5 upon x plus y into dy by dx. Here this dy by dx we collect. So it is dy by dx into 2 by y minus 5 upon x plus y. Right hand side is 5 upon x plus y minus 3 upon x. Here LCM is y into x plus y is the LCM, 2x, 2y minus 5y, and into dy by dx, right hand side is x plus y into x, 5x minus 3x minus 3y. Now this x plus y is getting cancelled. Here from numerator minus 3y and 2x is there. 2y minus see 2x minus 3y we will write here upon y into dy by dx, right hand side is this 2x minus 3y upon x. Again this 2x minus 3y is getting cancelled and we will be getting here dy by dx is equal to y upon x, and wherever dy by dx is y upon x, so second order derivative always comes to 0 at any point. Second order derivative will be 0, so our option must be equal to 0. How it comes? See, second order derivative d square y by dx square, it is derivative of this, so it is d dx of y upon x, and it is by u upon v rule x square, x derivative of y minus y into derivative of x1. Here we substitute dy by dx, that is y upon x, so numerator will reduce to 0. Y upon x minus y upon x square, this x will get cancelled and the numerator will reduce to 0, so that our option is 0. Question is y is equal to e raised to power 2x and then the second order derivative and the second order derivative, their product we want to find. These are the options. So y is this e raised to power 2x, y dash, that is dy by dx, it is 2 times of e raised to power 2x, y2 dash, that is d square y by dx square, which is again derivative of this will be 4 e raised to power 2x. This is d square y by dx square. Now y is this, so this is our exponential form, we will find logarithmic form. Log of y is equal to 2x. Log of y is equal to 2x. As y is e raised to power 2x, log y is 2x. So therefore x is equal to 1 by 2 log of y, and dx by dy we will differentiate it with respect to y, 1 by 2, and this derivative will be 1 by y. So again derivative of this d square x by dy square, this derivative it is 1 upon 2, and derivative of 1 by y is minus 1 upon y square, which is minus 1 by 2 y square. Y is e raised to power 2x, so upon y square means e raised to power 2x whole square. Therefore we are getting d square x by dy square is equal to minus 1 by 2 e raised to power minus 4x. This e raised to power 4x in the denominator, minus 4x. This is d square y by dx square, d square y by dx square into dx square by d square x by dy square, and that is equal to 4 e raised to power 2x into minus 1 by 2 e raised to power minus 4x. Cancel this, it is minus 2, this minus sign is there, and this will be e raised to power minus 2x. Here 2 and this minus 1, minus 2, e raised to power 2x upon e raised to power 4x, which is e raised to power minus 2x. So fourth option is there, which is minus 2 into e raised to power minus 2x. Derivative of tan inverse 6x root x upon 1 minus 9x cube. So we can express it in the form 2 tan inverse of, so tan inverse of 2 theta upon 1 minus theta square, which is 2 tan inverse of theta. So here tan inverse of this will write as 6 will write 2 into 3x root x upon 1 minus this 9x cube. 9x cube is nothing but 3x root x. X root x cube is x root x square is what? X cube. So whole square. Now it is of the form tan inverse of 2 theta upon 1 minus theta square. 2 theta upon 1 minus theta square. So this is equal to, this is 2 tan inverse of, say it is y, it is 2 tan inverse of 3x root x, which is 2 tan inverse of 3 times x raised to power 3 by 2 we write. X root x is x raised to power 3 by 2, and derivative y dash will be equal to 2 times derivative of tan inverse fx. It is 1 upon 1 plus fx square, that is 9x, and whole square, that is cube, into derivative of this, which is 3 by 2 into x raised to power 3 by 2 minus 1, which is 1 by 2. So derivative of this is 3 into derivative of x raised to power 3 by 2 x raised to power 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So here root x, so this root x is there, so we'll write it what? Root x. This 2 we cancel with this 2, this 3 will become 9, so it is 9 upon 1 plus 9x cube, 1 plus 9x cube. This root x we write here as we required, root x, and this 3 into 3 9 we write here 1 plus 9x cube. So clearly g of x must be equal to 9 upon 1 plus 9x cube. 9 upon 1 plus 9x cube. So 9 upon 1 plus 9x cube is this. B option is the correct option. In this video we did some selected questions on selected MCQs on derivative. Thank you. Keep on watching.